Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks Vibes. Today, we're diving into how generative AI is transforming content creation across different fields. From writing to designing and beyond, AI is changing the way we work and create. So without further ado, let's begin. First up, writing. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT are revolutionizing content creation for writers, bloggers, and marketers. Whether it's generating blog posts, product descriptions, or even novels, AI can produce human-like text in minutes. This means creators can now save time on first drafts and focus more on refining their message and adding creativity. With AI, it's like having a writing assistant that never takes a break. Next, let's talk about images. Tools like DALL and Midjourney are transforming how we create visuals. By simply typing in a description, these AI models can generate high-quality images, illustrations, and even concept art. This is perfect for graphic designers, marketers, and artists looking for quick inspiration or unique visuals. No design skills required. AI does it all. Number 3. Video creation. Video production has traditionally been time-consuming, but with AI tools like Runway ML, video editing, and special effects can now be automated. From automating edits to generating entire video sequences, AI is making video creation faster and more accessible. Creators can now focus on storytelling, while AI handles the technical tasks. Moving on to music, AI is not just for writing and visuals. It's also creating original music. Tools like Amper Music and AIVA allow musicians and content creators to generate custom soundtracks and background music with just a few clicks. Whether you need background tracks for YouTube videos or new compositions for films, AI can deliver high-quality music that suits your needs perfectly. Beyond just creating content, AI is becoming a creative partner. By generating ideas or offering new directions, AI helps creators experiment, innovate, and push creative boundaries. The collaboration between human creativity and AI is making it easier for creators to explore uncharted territories in art, music, and storytelling. But as with any powerful tool, there are ethical challenges. AI-generated content raises concerns about deepfakes, misinformation, and the question of content ownership. As we adopt AI in content creation, it's crucial to consider how we can use this technology responsibly, ensuring transparency and fairness in the content we create. Looking ahead, the future of content creation with AI is bright. We can expect even more advancements, from AI-generated influencers to fully interactive content that adapts to each viewer. AI is unlocking a world of possibilities. As AI continues to evolve, the line between human and AI-generated content will blur, leading to new creative possibilities and innovations we can only imagine today. So, what would you create with AI? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Talks Vibes for more exciting content.